Well, as you can see, our house is quite the mess. We have painting crew has started taking care of the walls to start painting, and then this is what our ceiling crew looks like. This is the ceiling before they put the top part. You can see the aluminum frame, the aluminum framing, and then it's going to look like this at the end. So this will go that way across. We're going to have a enclosure here. An enclosure. I don't know what they call that. The decorative design here goes up like 6 inches deep. Inset, whatever it's called. Inset, I think. So that's what our ceiling looks like before they put the PVC on it. And that is it, guys. Noella's over there cooking something, making beef stew for me, I guess. Oh boy, my eye's a little better today. Tonight, when it cools off, I'm going to mow the yard a little bit back here, over in this side. Oh, actually the breeze is cooler already. Huh, it's a cooler breeze already. But I'm going to mow this all down today, all the way over to here. So all of this will be, because the dog can't walk through it because there's a bunch of prickery things that really poke the feet, and he doesn't like walking through here. So need to be watering these plants. I don't think they get any water. That's why they're like dead. See? They're like dead already. We need to bring water back here. Anyway, that's it for now. No chickens yet because too hot yet. I just don't want to deal with chickens right now. That's it. I'll cut it off. I'll show you when I'm mowing the yard. I'll set up the tripod here and you can make fun of me for mowing the yard here. We'll talk to you in a little bit, guys. See ya.